What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into SUNLU's PLA in maple wood PLA in maple wood. Do like SUNLU, got this in the 4-pack, easy to open tabs, beautiful, rich, kind of lighter brownish color, the color of maple wood. Overall, I'd say it looks pretty good. Was a little bit of a crack there when I opened it up, so not sure entirely what's up with that, but just something to be on the lookout for, but it shouldn't affect anything. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will see you shortly. All right, so here is the Benchy. If you're new here, we always start out by printing a Benchy in generic filament settings in a slicer, in this case, Bamboo Studio, with their generic filament settings. Should take a little bit over an hour, so we're going to get that printed as well as all the other test prints, and I'll see you back here shortly. And here they are. So starting out, we have the generic Benchy. Overall, I'd say it looks pretty good. This nice sandy beige color with nice matte finish. It's always great to see. But overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. There's printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. There was a little bit of artifacts there on the bottom, as you can see, but overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the temperature tower. So the temp tower for this one, the best one, I think, was 215. That spike had the least amount of globbing and no real stringing to speak of. So I would say 215 overall, but 205 does look good too, so just kind of a choice there. Next up, we have the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well, no stringing, nothing super major there. Max volumetric speed test. This was printed at 20 millimeters per second cubed. It turned out very well without any sort of loss of detail or skipping of lines. The overhang test. So the overhang test did fail. Little bit of an issue there up at 60 degrees, but overall looks pretty good. So, just be sure to enable supports a little bit early if you need that extra angles. Anyway, we got those things dialed in and we reprinted that Benchy, and as you can see, it turned out beautifully. No real major issues with anything. So over at Amazon, you can pick this up for less than $22 per kilogram if you're looking for the single pack. Again, link is in the description down below. But I picked this up with a 4-pack, which ended up being $60 for the 4 ones. And this included maple, wood color, cherry wood, and walnut. My overall thoughts for this one is that if you're looking for a nice wood finish, color kind of thing, this one's pretty good. It's a great way to kind of utilize it. Make sure you print with a hardened spool though, just in case the wood grain inside causes any sort of issues. Anyway, that's been SUNLU's PLA wood in maple wood. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all the nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new YouTube channel, and it does go a very long way. Be sure to share with your friends. Do all the nice YouTube stuff. Print all the stuff, and be kind to each other, and hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.